Olukayode, Alao, Macaferri, SPA, Italy.
A group of civil engineers and I came together to form Suscrit, and we intend to address the issue of unsustainable concrete use primarily in Africa. When we think about the issue of climate change, yeah, this is the picture we all see, right? Our concerns are justified. As a major player in the infrastructure development and a major consumer of the limited natural resource, the greening of the concrete industry is cardinal. And how can we do this? This ties into the objectives of the Sustainable Development Goals that have been ratified by over 100 countries recently. Suscrit intends to focus on just 4: infrastructure, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduce inequality, sustainable cities, and responsible consumption. How can we do this? Through the intersecting rings of sustainability of environment, society, and economy. Our focus is, as I mentioned, concrete. Concrete is a very popular material because of its affordability, its engineering properties, and it's relatively democratic. Over 25 billion tons of concrete is consumed annually, and primarily concrete composes of water, aggregates, and cement. 20 billion tons of aggregates are used annually, 3 billion tons of cement, and 2 billion tons of water. That is about 40 times the lake Constance volume. That is a lot. This in itself is unsustainable. When you produce cement, about 1 ton of cement gives off 0.6 tons of CO2, which in a way contributes between 5 to 7% of the global CO2 emissions. This is a really huge contributor to the global emissions. This trend is not likely to change with increasing world population from about 1.5 billion to currently about 7 billion. And this trend will continue because we have increased urbanization. About 52% of the world population currently lives in urban cities. And this will, in turn, cause an increase in the consumption of cement. About 85% of the cement production and consumption in 2014 alone was accounted for by Asia and Africa. This is because these are where the new developing economies are. So, we think concrete is a durable material. Yes, it is. But if it's not properly used or put in place properly, it is susceptible to failure and damage. What does Suscrit want to do? Suscrit's strategy is to come in and try to design durable structures that are affordable and also long-lasting with low maintenance requirements, as well as helping our governments to create policies that allow for sustainable methods of cement production that reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Thank you very much.